The MAHANCRIS Guitar Stand GSHR9701V1 neatly corrals a small collection of guitars and basses, so several instruments can live on one compact rack instead of scattered cases on the floor. A 3-tier side shelf system gives you a natural home for a record player, speakers, or accessories, turning the stand into a mini music hub rather than just a basic holder. Soft protective padding along the contact points keeps instrument finishes safe from dings and rub marks, which is especially reassuring for glossy or vintage guitars. The combination of a metal frame and thick engineered wood panels feels solid and stable, with adjustable feet and an anti-tip kit helping the rack sit securely even on slightly uneven floors. Its rustic industrial styling looks intentional in a living room or studio, so your instruments become part of the decor instead of looking like temporary clutter. Clear instructions, labeled hardware, and included tools make assembly straightforward, even if you are not used to putting together furniture.